In 3 easy steps, the email and phone append service takes your list and adds your choice of emails and/or phone numbers to each list. You'll need a DataZapp account. It's free to make an account and see how many emails or phones we can add to your list. You'll only pay when you're ready to purchase, and it's a pay-as-you-go service. No contracts or fees. Just go to datazapp.com and click the Sign Up button. Step 1. Upload your spreadsheet. Log into your account. Within the Append My List box, click Email or Phone. Upload your file. Select what contact info you'd like to add to your list: emails, phones, or both. You can even add names if your list only contains addresses. You have several phone options. The priority cell option will find up to 1 phone number per record, with the priority on finding a cell phone. The cell phone option will return up to 1 cell phone. The landline option up to 1 landline, and the cell and/or landline option will return up to 2 phone numbers, 1 cell and 1 landline where possible. Check the Scrub Do Not Dial box if you need to reduce do not call or undesirable phone numbers from your results. Hit the orange Next button to continue. Step 2. Time for mapping. You'll see a preview of your file you just uploaded. We need you to match the columns of names and addresses with the labels in these drop-down menus. Map the address, city, state, and zip columns. If your list has a column of full names, label that column as full name. Otherwise, label the first name and last name columns separately. You can also include a second person's name as alternate first and last. If there are 2 sets of addresses in your list, label the mailing addresses first, then label the property addresses as alternates. All other columns should be left as non-applicable. Double-check that all the columns are labeled correctly. Then click Submit and hit OK. If you have other lists to run, repeat the append process for each file. In a few minutes, you'll get an email that your list is ready with a summary of what we found. These bars represent the match rate, the percentage of your contacts for which the contact info was found. Down here, you'll see your order price. You'll also see lower prices here which apply if you join our $1,000 or $2,000 prepayment plan. By prepaying, you'll lock in a discounted rate of 2.5 cents or 2 cents per match on this and future orders. You can click the Download Now button, or in your account, click the My Activity button to proceed with your order. Clicking this blue Download button will again show you the order price. If you ran multiple lists, check the box for up to 5 files and click the Multiple Purchase button. If you don't have enough credits on your balance, click the Buy Credits button here to pull up the payment form. If you append emails, we encourage you to keep this verified option selected. It performs a complimentary hardbound scrub, removing almost all undeliverable emails. This process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After that's done, you can download your list. Phone append orders should immediately download at checkout. The appended contact info will be in the last few columns.